Guys, we're going to the Nike outlet today, new one that's opening in St. Helens. We're going to see if there's any hidden gems there. If not, we're going to head out, do some retail arbitrage and make sure we lock some profits in. So a new Nike outlet opened in St. Helens and we went there hoping that we were going to find some hidden gems, as we thought that with the new opening of an outlet store, they would have put something decent in there at least. So we got to the outlet for 9:30, that was the announced opening time, but as you can see, absolute cringe parade were out and we had to wait till 10 o'clock because the Nike team decided that they wanted to do this absolutely cringy and embarrassing chant outside the store, which we all had to endure for 30 minutes.
Nike, Nike! I'm St. Helens, I've just come back into Nike, Nike, Nike! Nike, Nike, Nike! Swoosh, swoosh, swoosh! Swoosh, swoosh, swoosh! Who are we? Nike St. Helens! What are we? The only swoosh in town! Why are we here? Unite! Oh, when the swoosh! Oh, when the swoosh! Comes marching in! Comes marching in! Oh, when the swoosh comes marching in! Unite St. Helens! Together we are victorious! Who am I? Champion! Who am I? Champion! Who are we? St. Helens! Who are we? St. Helens!
Not a pleasant experience whatsoever. So there were some items that were reselling there, but these were like Nike quarter zips and Nike t-shirts. Not something that we ever really touch, and it's not something that we have the clientele for. But there was a bit of money made by some people that day, but nothing special. So we were looking for some dunks, maybe some like panda dunks. We know we can make a tasty little profit on those, but there was absolutely nothing. We did bump into another trainer reseller who brought something to us. I checked the eBay sales and there was just no money in it for us. We weren't happy with it, but I guess if you're a personal shopper, there's a bit of money in it for you. Guys, we've just been to the Nike outlet. It was absolutely shit. So doing some retail arbitrage right now. We're going to make sure we get some profits in at some point today. So come with us and let's see what we get.
So they've just sold some of them, were good sellers. So
two of these boys, quick tenner. Another fiver. Sam's got 15 quid there. What you got?
What's that? What are they?
It's a £12 profit each. So. Easy, another £9. Two of them, 20 quid.
£14 for each.
In boots, like max 10 minutes then. Come out, 2 bags full, about 50-60 quid profit. Easy done, isn't it? Easy done, boy.
So you have to like look from the side if they've got the eyes.
We've got the eyes.
The Hydra eyes. That ultra rare. So he's not better. Oh, this guy. So this one has it, so you come in, you go through the side, can you see the eyes there? Can you see the eye?
Bit
The little
dark.
eye. That's a Hydra one. £30 retail, goes for 70 quid a needle. I think that's a Hydra as well. The man's on to us. The man's on to us. That one though, because I've got 6 of them and he sold like 4 times one, so and I'll undercut there. I'm trying not to do that. Try that one. Things like that on the road.
Teeth in it.
We're in.
The average person gets 4,000.
Fucking wrong side. Anyway, ultra rare. There you go, Jack.
Right, so we should get a photo. So, 30 quid retail, 70 quid eBay.
£70 plus.
Well, if I do this call, you think you're waiting in the house, JP, them scoop up all profit.
I don't think I won't be probably getting anything here, to be honest. Have you accepted the terms?
Look, Jack's got them all.
So when you buy them 3 in 1 transaction.
Yeah, do you reckon?
I'd get them at the only buyers you personally.
But now I need to could do
Yeah.
find 2 other things, couldn't I?
One other thing, yeah. Well, yeah. Sort of. You know, what's this down here? £3.75. Scan the stuff. I've already bought these before though. They're good, honestly, trust me.
Not gated.
No, you're not good. They're good. How much is it? £3.25 times by 2 is £6.50 divided by 3 is £2.20. £2.20. And then you've got small and light on it as well. 135%. I don't think we missed that.
Do you know which one it is here? Because they're both exactly
You know what I mean?
Yeah, you can just find them. If we're next.
So we finished up the day with around about £250 of profit. We did around about 2 hours of retail arbitrage. That's going into stores and buying products. All the products that we were picking up were in the aftermarket Discord server. We did find some other gems in there as well, but we teach you exactly how to use software in order to do that for yourself. These were all from one retail park. It shows you don't even have to travel far to retail arbitrage. All the stores were pretty much next to each other, so it didn't take us long at all. 250 quid of profit. 2 hours of literally scanning around shops and looking at items that we'd already posted in the Discord. It's just free money that's sitting there on the shelves. So if you think that you can't walk into a store, buy products and resell on Amazon and make money, you are literally just wrong. So if you've enjoyed the content, make sure to drop us a like, subscribe and drop a comment down below about what sort of content you want to see next.